Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about how to create top n values by using parameter that is dynamically. Okay, for these to create a top n values dynamically, we have to go to modeling. There we have a option like new parameter. Under this drop down, we have numeric range and fields. So let's select numeric range. So we have to give 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 top ranges. Here we have to give parameter name, so let's say top n pair. Okay, and let's give its data type whole number, let it be, and minimum is like from 1 and maximum is let's say 5, 1 to 5. Okay, increment 1. Okay, let's create this. So the top n param is created successfully. Keep aside. Okay, here if you write 5, it will be give 5. 4, if you 4, if you slide left side 3, 2. Okay, keep aside. And coming to now, we have the right hand side, we have in the data section we have orders table. So let's say go for a subcategory, let it be, drag and drop here, and we are getting the values for subcategory, right? Expand it. Okay, and go for second, take the measure, say total sales. Okay, see, we are getting the total sales, and this is the highest sales, right? Suppose if you are changing the top and param to 3, I'm sliding to forward. If it is 3, it should be show 3 records, I mean top 3 values from this visual, right? It should be interactive, but as of now we don't have any interactions. So similarly, however, we created the top n values without parameter, same logic, but here we are using the parameter, right? So here I have to create a what rank to this total sales, so that it will define the ranks. For highest values it is giving the 1, and second highest it is giving 2. So likewise we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will go with ranks. So this is top and param, so I will create a rank function. Okay, top rank. Okay, let's say rank x. Okay, rank x. All, why I'm writing all is to remove the filters from that visual. Okay, that is subcategory, right? And here we need to write total sales, because we are using total sales, right, in this visual. Total sales, comma, comma, and we have to get highest descending. If you use descending, we are getting the highest to lowest, comma, dense, for not skipping the ranks. Okay, this way we have to write top and top rank. So drag and drop here, so we are getting the values. Okay, for the highest value it is giving assigning 1. For the lowest value, I mean second highest, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 likewise. And here I'm creating another value, like another measure selected value param, that is equal to selected value of top and param, top and param. Okay, top and param value. Okay, and now this is created, and now we have to create a flag. So I'm creating a flag, top and flag. Okay, FLG, and here, like, I'll write if what is this, top and rank is less than or equal to selected value param. Okay, comma 1 comma 0. So I will put it in the visual, this visual. Okay, go to filters and choose this top and flag and add data fields here. Change this drop down to is and write 1. Apply filter. See, here we are getting 3 records, top 3 records, because we are at sliding option at 3. So if you slide forward 4, we are getting top four records. So if you slide below, I mean backward, we are getting two records because we are selected two. So let's change this visual to bar graph simply so that we can understand easily. So top three records, top four records, top two records, top one records. So this way we can show the top end values dynamically by using the parameter option. Okay.